Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III, and I'm with Disability Resolution PA. Let's go ahead and talk about question number 14. All right, here's the trick part of question number 14. Question number 14 is all about, you have carpet on you? You have carpet on you. Is all about how the judge phrases the question. Don't eat the paper. It's all about how the judge phrases the question. I love you, you know that. Okay. The judge could ask you a tough question in a tough way. Well, when was the last time that you used heroin and crack cocaine, blah, 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 right? Judge could ask it in a really neutral way. Well, can you please tell me for the record, when was the last time, to the best of your knowledge, that you utilized crack cocaine, heroin, or some other illegal narcotic-based drug? Okay, okay. Or the judge could schmooze it. Turn up the ooh to about 5. And then you're going to get in trouble because you're going to think the judge is your buddy. And you're going to start just blah, 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 blah. And all of a sudden, all this jazz is going to come out of your mouth that's going to hurt your claim. You want to get down? All right, I'll let you. You want to get down? I'll get you down. Here you go. So let's talk about that for a moment. If you hear the judge say things like, well, surely you don't have any issues with cooking, cleaning, laundry, paying bills, do you? I know that area. Geographically, I've been there. How's the baseball team doing? Oh God. Oh God. And then it happens. You start going into this whole charade, right? What's he doing? You start going into this whole charade about basically how, you know the team, you watch them all the time, you go to the practices, you do all these things that a disabled person could not normally do, right? Okay. So let's go through that real quick. I have 2 dogs running around. That's why you're seeing things shake and things move. And then, of course, this chair is total crap. So let's talk about that real quick for a moment. Hey, buddy. So, and I understand, and it makes sense to me that considering this, considering that, well, it's understandable that you would do things like this. These are all just trick questions. They're formed in a buddy-buddy system kind of way to get you to agree or be more open to giving testimony that normally you would not give. And the reason that this is a problem is that your brain turns off the, what is the judge getting at? What can I say? What can I not say? Yada, yada, yada. And goes into, this is my friend. This is my good buddy. I feel comfortable. This is a sad thing to say, but you really shouldn't feel comfortable in that hearing room. Your ears should be working overtime. Your mouth should be working undertime because your brain is working overtime. If you haven't heard that question before, then your attorney didn't do a good job of prepping you. If you didn't hear that question before and you don't have a good answer for it, then you know that you are up bleepity bleep creek without a paddle. Okay. So, we're coming up to the final question, and then I actually have more. Like, this is supposed to be the top 15, but I'm going to do like 16, 17, 18, 19. I have all those as well. I'm getting a little tired tonight. I'm going to take a mini break after I do 15, and then we'll go on to do 16, 17, etc. All right? My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. If you want the most up-to-date information, a custom video made about a particular topic you like, or you just have a question, shoot me an email, give me a call, shoot me a text, and we'll go from there. All right? Thanks so much, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.